Hey guys, today's video is on repairing a paint chip on my Jimny. Now it's a very minor paint chip that you can barely see, but it's extremely important to rectify this as soon as possible, as this is one of the ways rust can start to form and turn into a bigger issue. Just want to give you a bit of background. I discovered this chip when it was fairly new, so I ordered my touch-up paint. That's my touch-up paint, guys. Now it did take a few weeks to arrive, so I used the clear coat sealant pen over there just to stop any kind of rust from forming and to protect it. If you don't have clear coat, you can use any type of clear nail polish. You need the correct color coded touch-up paint. Check the correct color by your door, it will have the paint code, but on the Jimny I couldn't find it on the door, so I just googled it online. The new Jimnys are very easy to order touch-up paint, as you should already know the color of your car. This one, for example, is the jungle green 4th generation model. Clear coat, it's a good idea to after the paint dries, but this depends on your touch-up paint, as some of them already have clear coat already included in the ingredients. Clark cleaning product with microfiber towel. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is ensure it's the correct color touch-up paint. So I've got a homemade example here, and I'm just going to, yep, it's the right color. So let's go ahead and clean the area. So I'm just gonna spray it there. Now give it a good wipe. Alright guys, now it's time to apply the touch-up paint. So hey guys, I'm very sorry I couldn't show you while applying it. It's because it's very hard for me to hold the camera while trying to do a proper job and keep my hands stable. I wanted to do it properly, but as you can see, it's a perfect color match, and it's around there. Okay, so the job is now completed, turned out good, and paint is now restored. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel guys. I have some more cool accessories coming very soon for the Jimny, and I will have another video up soon for the average Jimny owner. Thank you.